Introducing Dreamlabs Eternal Priming Water. Super simple application, just put it on a cotton pad or anything to apply like a toner, and I am putting it on my T-zone and all over my cheeks and forehead. Starting with concealer to conceal anything I want extra coverage in. The foundation I will be using is light coverage but buildable, but I really want to keep it light. Period. Now that that's blended out, I am using my favorite foundation. Shout out to Makeup Forever and shout out to this cute sponge that has a mermaid on it. We love her. I do wet the sponge before application. I just feel like it applies everything better. I have bangs, but I do not forget application on the forehead, okay? This cream blush is my favorite blush ever. Huda does not make it anymore, but you can find it on Amazon. Link in my description. Now to brighten the under eye. This is my favorite concealer, you guys. Bare Minerals really did their big one with this one. I'm blending it out with that same wet sponge that I used for my foundation. I always feel like I get the best blend using that same sponge. I am setting everything with the Laura Mercier powder. I am so loyal to this powder, okay? I am obsessed. I dare you guys to try it. Let me know what you think. I like to set all the areas where I get most shiny, which is my T-zone. And since I do have some breakouts on my chin, I will be mattifying this to minimize the appearance. Going in with my cream contour. I did not add any powder to my cheeks, so I will be contouring my cheeks. I will also be contouring my nose and my forehead. Don't forget the forehead, okay? I also like to contour my eyes by bringing the contour out to the corner of my eye to give me a more lifted effect, and under my brow bone for a softer look. Adding more blush to make it more vibrant. And look at this blush, it's so pretty. A little bit on the nose because we're cute. Okay, now to highlight my moles with some black eyeliner. We love a little beauty mark moment. Makeup Forever, oh my gosh, these are so creamy. And they last all day, okay? All day. I've been really into like a pink liner with some nude lipstick in the center. I just love that look. It kind of reminds me of a Bratz doll. Is it giving what it's supposed to give? Yeah, it's giving. Final touches with this highlighter in the inner corner, and I also added a little bit on my cheeks. To finish off the look, whoop whoop, we're going to use the MAC Fix Plus, my trusty Fix Plus, okay? Shout out to Dreamlabs Eternal Priming Water. It really gave me a flawless finish and made my skin look so smooth.